Welcome you all, whosoever is watching this video. In this video, I am going to discuss the project that is made by Darshan and me, that is Harpreet Singh. So we as a team active developers has made this website, and we have done a lot of hard work to make this website for the competition organized by F5 developers. Okay, so this is a responsive web design. Okay, so let me discuss the central theme of our educational website. Okay, so in this website, our basically reason to make this website is like to provide education to every kid in the nation or in the world at free of cost, in which we will be giving live free training at such a quality like a person can even get a job at big companies. So it's just like a person has having internet connection and a system, he can innovate and he can learn new things. If I talk about what new things, what are the categories, so you can check out the categories here. There are very diverse kind of categories for every student or for every employer as well who wants to learn and upgrade his skills. Okay, then you can check out the website here. If I move further, so this is a design like thing I have mentioned. Like if you have internet connection and a laptop, then you are good to go, and you will be having some high quality certificates. The top categories of our data science, education for kids, and HTML that our top educators will be teaching to every kid. If I talk about the various features of our education, then we can teach very complex concepts in such an easy manner that even a school kid can get it. Okay, so this is really great. So free of cost training will be there, as we want to fulfill the gap between the students and the industry, and yes, you will be definitely getting the certificate. Top categories for learning you can check out. In each category you have, in arts you have these courses, in business you have these courses. Okay, in computer science you have these courses. Okay, in data science you have these courses. Okay, let me give you a responsive web design look as well. If I make it shorter, okay, then also you can see like yes, it is responsive. When you click this, it gets adjusted to the size of the screen. Okay, so it's cool. I think you are loving it. Then health department, you have several courses here as well, because if there is health, then only we will be having wealth. Okay, then mathematics for everyone, for school kids, for college kids. Okay, then for primary level kids, okay, for them also we are having some courses like arts for kids, writing for kids, and coloring. As we know that in this pandemic, even the school kids are not getting to go to the schools. Okay, that's why we are providing free education to every age group. Okay, that's why they can utilize this time. Then you can have the testimonials. So the people who have done a course from here, they have given their experiences here. Okay, if I talk about my partners, our partners, you can check out our partners list. Okay, these are the companies who are in partner with us, and this is a footer section in which if you have any queries or suggestions, you can just contact us. Harpreet Singh or Darshan, also our email IDs are mentioned here, and the different links where you can connect with us. And yes, so this is all from active developers, and I hope that you like the concept and the basically the design of our website and the central idea behind this, because this is really important in today's world. Like, we are the only ones who can transform our future. So if you have the eager to learn, you can definitely come and learn here. Thank you very much for watching the video till now. Thank you very much.